Friends, I hope you're well. Let's have a quick conversation right now about what is going on with Palantir. So I made a video just the other day, just 24 hours ago, about Palantir, where I said, hey, we had this huge sell-off. I took it upon myself to go ahead and buy more. I bought more. Call me crazy. Well, to end off Friday here, the market came back, it snapped back, which we kind of figured it would. You know, we just had a big sell-off. Cathie Woods once again has come out unbelievably and said she has bought even more Palantir. So, you know, there's still somehow people out there that are thinking that Palantir is not going to make it. I'm not even really sure why, because when we look at the actual numbers, quarterlies, and what we know that's coming down the pipeline here with Palantir, it's really hard to go against Palantir. And now that we have all these big buy-ins, these investors, these firms, these the numbers that are just coming together here with Palantir, and that we know we're pretty much going to have Palantir on the S&P 500 here within months. You know, it's pretty much a solid deal that you're buying into here with Palantir. So, you know, what am I trying to say? Obviously, you know, this isn't me saying you need to buy Palantir. This is just me talking about what, you know, at least I'm seeing, a lot of other people are seeing here with Palantir, that this is a train that is not stopping. It's just getting hotter coals thrown into it with a bigger flaming fire, and it is not stopping. I don't want to talk too much because I don't want to repeat myself too much. Like I said, I just made a video on Palantir. The big news, like I said, though, is that Cathie Woods with ARK Investment, their ETF here, bought more than 1 million shares of it today, putting their buy-in at almost 15 million here price. So this is the third buy-in right now from Cathie Woods. She keeps coming in here, and you're seeing her right now on these. This is what she does most of the time here. What we've seen is that she comes in on these big sell-off days, and they go, "Hey, this is a great price. We're going to buy more." Like I said on the thumbnail, you know, 18 for Palantir. I still think Palantir is going to obviously end the year here at a decent level, around $16 to $20. And listen, that's like the low. That's low compared to what a lot of other people are saying. So obviously, I hope I'm terribly wrong. I hope this thing does go above and beyond. We know that we're going to have another run up here, probably in December with Palantir towards the end of it. And I say that because obviously December is not going to bring us anything. December never really brings us anything in the market. The first week or two, yeah, it would be a little normal. But then after that, it's going to be a huge sell-off. You know, people are spending their money on presents. They're getting their taxes in order for next year to get them done for this year. So with that, Palantir, though, we know is going to finish off a good third quarterly. It's pretty much a guarantee, which we're even talking about. We could see another deal be sealed here with Palantir, and we're still talking about the deals that have already happened that are being done right now. So still a lot that could and will happen here with Palantir. So friends, if you invest in Palantir, I think even if you're buying in at Palantir around 14, 15, I honestly, I don't see how that's still high. You know, people might be worried. You know, I know a lot of people were saying like, well, I don't want to buy more Palantir because I don't want to raise my buy-in price. You know, I like being at 12, 13, or even $10, or, you know, whenever you start buying in. I don't really, if you're in it for the long run, and this is obviously, this whole thing is for long-term investors, I don't think you're hurting yourself, because the long outcome here, waiting for what Palantir is going to be, you know, we're talking about Palantir being at a $30, $50, $100. Obviously, some people are saying, you know, really big numbers, what Palantir is going to be here in the next few years. That's what we're looking at. I mean, we're just in the baby steps right now of Palantir being built into a mammoth company with what they're expected to be doing here. So friends, I wish all of you the best of luck. I'm not going to yap anymore. Like I said, I'm just repeating myself with what I've said. Friends, let me know what you think. Let me know what you're doing. I will talk to you soon. Take care, everyone. Bye-bye.